Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to configure Cisco ASA as DHCP server. Please understand the IP addressing and topology correctly, then start the configuration. Okay, so let's start. R1, which is connected with switch is connected with the ASA is also connected with switch 2, and R2. IP addressing is in front of you. Please understand it clearly, then start the configuration. Come to R1, ASA, R2. So let's start with R1. R1 interface F0 by 0, no shut, IP address 101.100. Yes, do show history. R1 IP address 192.168.101.100. Then we have to go to ASA, enable conf t hostname ASA1, interface is 0, interface gig 0, no shut, name if inside, IP address 101.1, yes 101.1, another is 0, another is 1, interface gig 1, no shut, name if outside, IP address 102.1, yes 0, interface 101.1, 101.1, 1 interface 102.1. Then we have to go to R2, enable conf t interface 0 by 0, no shut, IP address 102, yes which one, 102.100, and its gateway will be IP route any IP any mask, and its gateway will be do show history. Yes, we have configured its IP address 192.168.102.100, 102.100, and its gateway is ASA interface IP address. Okay, come to ASA. Yes, on ASA, when we have configured IP addressing, then ASA can communicate with all. Ping 101.1, 101.100, ping 102.1 and 102.100. But we have configured here IP address manually. Go to R1, and interface F0 by 0, no IP address, do show IP interface brief. Why we have removed? Because we want to configure R1 as a DHCP client and ASA as DHCP server. Go to ASA, then command is here DHCP D, then address, then you have to configure first IP. Okay, first IP we want to start with 101.100, yes, or you can configure 2 to 101.254. Then you have to define this. What we have to define, that DHCP server will provide IP address to client. This is the range 101. Yes, we want to provide IP address for this lane. First is its IP address. So apart from this one, we will say 2 to 254. But this DHCP server is for which interface? This one 101.1, which is our inside. Then we will provide gateway. So DHCPD command is option for gateway. Number is 3. IP address 192.168.101.1, and DHCPD enable which interface? Inside. So history. So these are the commands that how to configure an ASA or Cisco ASA as a DHCP server. First of all, DHCPD, you will define address range, you will define interface name, then DHCPD option 3 means gateway IP should be 101.1, then DHCP enable for which interface? Inside. Again I am repeating here, this is our inside and this is our outside. Okay, yes, we have enabled it, so it is ready, no problem. Then we have to go to R1 or client, IP address DHCP, and we have to wait for some time. Yes, now you can see 101.2 show IP address or show IP interface brief. Yes, now you can see here which IP address 101.2 via DHCP, show IP route static, gateway option 101.1, and now it can communicate with its gateway. Done. Which IP address allocated? 101.2. Go to ASA, show DHCPD binding. Yes, 101.2. Here, do one thing, 0 by 0, no IP address. Then again put command, no information, put command again IP address DHCP and wait for some time. Yes, 3. Go here. Now 3. Then again no IP address. Do show IP interface brief, nothing, and show DHCP debinding. Okay, now what we will do in next lab, we will configure ASA as a DHCP relay agent, and we will configure R2 as a DHCP server. Okay, so go to ASA clear configure DHCPD, show running config DHCPD, nothing is here. So this was our lab, that how to configure ASA as a DHCP server. Same topology we will use for next lab.